Hi, my name is Joe. Today I will tell you how to set up lead loading from a Facebook advertising account by sending data, for example, creating a contact to the JSON service. This is necessary to automatically transfer new leads from Facebook to other systems. For example, you can transfer new leads to Instacent to send data, such as creating a new contact, to all new leads who have shown interest in your ad. This will warm up potential customers and let them know that you will contact them soon. Now let's get started with the setup. At this stage, you need to create a new connection. You can use one of the ready-made templates for systems where you can transfer data. This time, we will use the search function, write the first 3 to 4 letters of the system name, and select the desired template. At this stage, you need to connect your Facebook account to this Save My Leads system. First, you need to specify the username and password of your Facebook account. And then click Continue Joe. Select the connected Facebook account. Then specify the forms that will be used to load the data. If you have multiple forms specified, you will need to create multiple connections for each of them. After selecting the required form, click Continue. At this point, you need to add a URL for receiving data. To do this, go to the Click Send documentation for steps on how to do this. Select the Create New Contact section and copy the link in the post request line. Now we need to add the ID of the list in which we want to create a contact. To do this, you need to go to your Click Send account. Click on the list and copy the ID of this list in the link line. Now add this ID to the link. Select the data transfer method from the drop-down list. In our case, you need to select Post Request. Now you need to choose the type of authorization. For example, Basic Authorization. At this stage, you need to add a login, password, and headers. To add headers, go back to the Click Send documentation and copy the values in the header field. Now you need to fill in the key and value fields. You can fill in these fields manually or add a variable from the drop-down list. When the fields are filled in, click Continue. You can check the correctness of the filled fields. To check the correctness of the settings, click Send Test Data to JSON. After successful sending, go to your JSON account and check the result. If everything suits you, return to the Save My Leads service and complete settings. We see that the contact was successfully created and all the information we selected in the settings is displayed correctly. To instantly transfer information from Facebook, you need to enable automatic updates. To do this, click Finish Setup. If necessary, you can change the connection name. Go to its settings. In the name line, we enter additional information, for example, lead form and date. After changing the name, click Continue. That's all. I wish you successful integration, settings, and good luck.